You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off the liquid glass effect on your iPhone. The liquid glass effect is not a standard iOS setting but typically refers to a third-party theme or a custom icon set you applied using the Shortcuts app. To remove it, you need to delete the custom shortcut icons from your home screen. Press and hold on one of the liquid glass icons until a menu appears. Tap Remove Shortcut or Delete Shortcut. Confirm by tapping Delete or Remove from home screen. You will need to do this for each custom icon you created. To restore the original app icons, they are likely still in your app library. Swipe left past your last home screen page. To access the app library, find the original apps and drag them back to your home screen. If you used a configuration profile for a theme, go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. If you see a profile related to the theme, tap it and select Remove Profile. Restart your iPhone afterward. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.